Hi guys, I just want to do a quick little video here to show you how to shade on my little Scrimshaw type whales. They all have the same technique, and it's almost like newsprint where it's little dots, and the more little dots you put, the darker the shading. I'm going to show you on this little hermit crab, and I started to do it right here. There's little darker areas, and it's very easy. I use a very small brush. The one I have now is the Majestic Royal 30 monogram brush. I got it from Mary Kingsland, and I'm using Prussian blue paint. You load up the brush, and I'm showing the division in the shells here. Here's where the main divisions are, and all you want to do is kind of like just dance the brush on the area. See? And we're going to shade the little legs where they touch. We're using very little paint. If you use a marker, you do it the same way, just dot 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 it. And it's a very controlled way to do a shading. There's no real wrong way, but you don't want to use a lot of paint. So you just dot dot dot. This is where the little legs come out. So just a little at a time, you know. And the same thing, you could cross hatch. You want more shadow on the bottom, maybe put another little line here. You know, people ask me about using markers. I don't use markers because I find they run. And stuff like this where you don't have to be really neat, it helps you develop your skill. So that's all in the video. It's like I said, it's going to be easy. I guess I could show you. We'll put them on a pile of sand. I'm still in the designing stages on this, so I'm kind of just freehanding this around. You want them to sit on the ocean floor. Same thing, just some little lines, and then since this hill is in front, we're going to shade a little behind it and give some texture under its foot. Foot, is it on a crab? Claws. Okay, and this is the part that sits in the whale. And I'm going to do some more playing like this one, put some plants in and stuff like that. But fast and easy. Okay? I hope this helps. Thank you.